Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I will teach you how much and how many. How much we use for uncountable nouns, something that we cannot count. How much milk do you drink? How much water you drink every day? How much cost it? Like wie viel kostet 1 Liter Milch? Wie viel Wasser trinken Sie jeden Tag? Wie viel Milch gibt es hier? How much milk is there? How much water you drink every day? How much cost 1 liter milk? These are all uncountable nouns. We cannot count. If something is countable, we will use wie viele. Wie viele Kinder spielen im Park? How many children are playing in the park? Wie viele Frauen sitzen hier? How many women are sitting here? Wie viele Autos stehen da? How many cars are standing there? So after wie viele, we write either verb or noun, like how many people, how many children, how many cars, how many girls, how many boys. Wie viele Jungen lernen Deutsch? How many boys are learning German? Wie viele Punkte bekommen Sie? How many marks you get? So after wie viele, we use mostly noun. Wie viele Punkte? Wie viele Autos? Wie viele Mädchen? Wie viele Frauen? Wie viele Jungen? These are the structures. Wie viele, because we can count. It is countable nouns. So that's why we use wie viele. How many? Boys, girls, cars, etc. You can use any countable noun here. Whereas with wie viel, we use only non-countable, uncountable, that we cannot count. Like how much cost 1 liter milk? Wie viel kostet 1 Liter Milch? Wie viel kostet 1 Kilo Apfel? How much cost 1 kilo apple? So this is the structure with wie viel and wie viele. I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.